Hello, YouTube land, and welcome to another edition of the Crypto Mamma Mia. It's another Saturday. It's January 16, ladies and gents, 2021. Guess what that means? It's another Cash FX Saturday payday. And let's see what we got. And they are back to full capacity, I guess, back to trading again. They did take the holidays, a few of the days off during the holidays. So if you were to look into your balance, then you would not have gotten a full balance. But I saw in my balance today that, the percentages are back up again. In fact, let's see here. I have this for my balance, as you can see. And if you're ever curious to see like what percentages they're making on a daily, you can always go into your, let's see here, balance. Oops, under finance, you can go to balance. And it should show you some of your latest statistics if you are in this program. Okay, here we go. It's processing. And you can go into your trading pool and it'll show you. So this week here, we've had about 0.7, 1.1, 1.3, 1.1, and 0.7 approximately. And again, ladies and gents, I'm a small YouTuber. I do have the 10K Academy pack working for me. So, and I do get some, referral commissions and things like that. But I do want to emphasize, if you are in the US, they are not registering new US members. Unfortunately, I did get in like at the very beginning, and I started off with a $300 package. That's right, because if you are unfamiliar with Cash FX, what it is they sell products, they sell academy packs where you can learn how to trade on the Forex market. In fact, they've started this copy trading so that you can copy their signals. And remember, ladies and gents, trading is all about winning more than losing, right? Because I am a leverage trader on Bit7. I follow the Oracle's War on the 1 minute chart teachings. And I have to tell you, I lose, but I also win. And the main thing is, because I haven't perfected it yet. Don't get it twisted. Don't think that, you can learn a skill like in one sitting or after watching one video. No, you need the secret sauce from the Oracle. And then what you also need is practice. So you can trade in little bits and pieces till you get really good at looking at what you need to be looking at. And then, you know what, you'll still lose, but as long as you have those measures in place and you win more than you lose, then that is how you make profit. And that's like with anything, right? Whether it be stocks, whether it be Forex, just remember that. So if you buy their Academy pack, you can learn how to do that. And on top of that, they have their traders trading, which then leads to your account balance, right? So there you go. That's how you get that. And you know what? I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to withdraw, but I'm going to wait till later on to withdraw to see. And I do want to bring up the fact that last week their payouts was a little bit slower, but I did get paid out. It just took a little longer than normal. But do remember that when the market is volatile, it can take a little longer. As you can see, withdrawal requests are paid out within 3 business days after request. But in special circumstances, whether it's market volatility, which we had a lot this week, long delays in exchange times could cause drastic negative fluctuation in BTC. So the withdrawals could take up to 1 week to reach your BTC wallet. And again, ladies and gents, I know that a lot of people freak out and think that, if they don't pay out in like the normal 2 days, then it's gone. And it could be. I mean, I'm not saying that it could never leave, but like, you know, I always like to at least give it that 1 week, because they do have this announcement on their, what do you call this? On their homepage when you log in. So just give them the week, and make sure when you do have that balance of 100 or more, withdraw, unless you have a smaller package, because their smallest package is 300. So if you have one of the smaller packages, I would recommend pulling out that first 100 and then just letting it run to the end. That way you collect every single BTC that is owed to you, because they do pay out in BTC. So every dollar amount of BTC, they pay that out, because if you pull out and then you have less than 100, you won't be able to pull that out unless you upgrade. So I always want to make sure people know that. And if you have not withdrawn already from this platform, if you are new, all you need to do is go into finance, request a withdrawal. And like I said, I'm going to wait to do it, but I just wanted to show you real quick where you go to request a withdrawal. So you go finance, request withdrawal, and then you go ahead and stick in the amount. You know me, ladies and gents, I like every single penny. So I'm going to pull out every single penny. So that's what you do. And then you just hit submit, and then they will ask you for your 2FA code. And that is how you request a withdrawal. And I have to say, ladies and gents, and again, I'll do this one later. You have to switch it up once in a while on you. I'll go to finance and I'll show you, oops, not that. Let's see, withdrawal status. Ooh. I will show you that some days they pay faster, some days they pay slower. Here we go. Sorry, let's go back to withdrawal status. And remember, ladies and gents, always secure your stuff with a VPN, always secure your stuff with a 2FA authenticator code, always secure your stuff. Okay, so see this one, I requested on the 9th and it didn't get paid out till the 14th. And sometimes, like I said, it's a lot quicker. As you can see, the last one I requested was on the 19th and it got paid out on the 22nd. So that one only took 3 days, while this one took 5 days. Right, and this one only took 1 day. So again, it depends, right? So I mean, I could wait till tomorrow and maybe see if that would make it faster. But you know, it doesn't matter, because as long as it gets completed, you see this on the side, this is everything that got completed, right? All of them got completed. So that's the main thing. And you know, whether you upgrade or not, and you take the money and run, that is totally up to you. You could do whatever you want to do. Because ladies and gents, I do not give financial advice. You've read the disclaimer either in the beginning or at the bottom in the description. You know, and I do have links, so but it's totally up to you whether you click it or not, because if you weren't gonna find my link, you're gonna find someone else's, right, if you really wanted to do this. So I am just a vlogger, just trying to show you what I've been doing with CashFX for how many weeks now. In fact, let's go check it out. Let's go check out my last page and see. Since August of 2019, every Saturday I've been pulling it out, right? How many weeks is this already? It's a hell of a lot. It's more than 52 weeks, that's for sure, because that's a whole year, right? So more than that. I I am just, I am very grateful for finding this platform. Again, totally on my own, I decided to get in because I was like, I'll give it a chance. And that's what people do when they come to YouTube. They look for info. Nobody's forcing you to do anything, ladies and gents. You can come to YouTube, you can find what you want to find, and you can decide if you want to do it or not. It is totally up to you. But listen, I have to tell you, I am appreciative of Cash FX because they started me on my positive crypto journey. When I say positive, I mean financially, because beforehand I was bleeding out crypto. That's right. But this one here plugged it up. It plugged up my bleeding crypto. So I am now actually collecting crypto, which I am totally enjoying, especially because of the price pumps. I mean, look at this, ladies and gents. 36,000 right now. I mean, yes, it went up to 40 and it came back down, but you know what? Guess what? When I first started Cash FX, I think BTC must have been less than 10,000. So can you imagine all the Saturdays I've been pulling out, and then I just put it on the side unless I put it back in. But just from price appreciation, my goodness. But yes, that's another Saturday winning payday in Cash FX. I hope that you found this information, helpful if you are in it. And if you're on the side thinking about it, is it too late? I have no idea. I don't give that kind of financial advice. I just tell you how I feel and what's going on with my account and my thing. So that's what's happening, ladies and gents. If you're feeling like you want to give it a go, I do have links in my link tree, the one and only link down below. Click it if you want, don't if you don't. Just watch, make comments. I see your comments, everyone, good, bad, or otherwise. And you know what? At the very least, I'll give you a heart and a like because you took the time and you took the effort to watch the video or at least make a comment. So there you go. Thank you again for stopping by as always every Saturday on this Cash FX payday. I do appreciate it. I do thank you for coming, and please have a great day or night wherever you are. And if you have not already, please like and subscribe. I am inching my way closer to those 2,000 subs. And when I do, guess what? I'll be giving away more of my BTC. Yes, I will. And if you like that idea, please like, please subscribe, please share so that I get there. And also, please stay safe, stay healthy, stay sane, most important of all. And I will see you at the next video. Adios.